Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn breathing and exchange of gases together, step by step. In this chapter, we study how we breathe and how oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged in the lungs and carried through the body. Air enters through the nose, passes the trachea and bronchi, and reaches tiny air sacs called alveoli in the lungs, where gas exchange actually takes place. Breathing involves the diaphragm and rib muscles. During inspiration, the chest expands and air rushes in, and during expiration, it contracts and air is pushed out. At the alveoli, oxygen diffuses from air into the blood, while carbon dioxide diffuses out. This exchange happens by diffusion across very thin alveolar walls. Oxygen is carried mainly bound to hemoglobin in red blood cells, forming oxyhemoglobin. Most carbon dioxide travels as bicarbonate ions in the plasma. Breathing is measured using lung volumes. Tidal volume is the normal breath, and vital capacity is the maximum air exchanged, measured by a spirometer. To recap, breathing moves air to the alveoli where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged, the diaphragm drives the process, and gases are carried in the blood. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.